Hi, I will discuss about first in, first out. So let's start. So we have the page reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1, 6, 5, 1. So first, the page 1 is a reference by a process. Since the main memory is empty, the page fault is a 4. So this one, here si ganito, 0, 0, 0. Since default. Page 2 is also there. 1, 2, then occur them. Page 3 is also like what happened to the other one. Since 1, 2, 3, then there is a page fault. Then lastly, 1, 2, 3, 4, there is also a page fault. Then since 5 since page 5 is not in a memory, there's a page fault occur, which means that a page is memory has to be replaced. So, ang i-replace natin ay ang 1, 5, 2, 3, 4. So, there's a page fault and replaced by 1. Ang ni-replace natin ay 1. So, in page 3, reference, since the page 3 is in memory or existing, there is no page fault. Kasi may 3 na siya dito eh. Then, it became 5, 2, 3, 4. There's no page fault. Then 4, since there is an existing number 4, wala din siyang page fault. So, ganito din ulit. 5, 2, 3, 4. Again, in page 2, reference, since the page is in memory or existing, there is no page fault. Then again, this is 5, 2, 3, 4. Since page 1 is reference is not in memory, the page fault generated, which means that a page in memory has to be replaced. Yung number 2 naman i-replace natin kasi napalitan na natin yung 0 sa frame. So, ito namang 1 ang papalitan. Itong number 2 ang papalitan. So, magiging 5, 1, 3, 4. So, there's a page fault replaced by number 2. So, in page 3 is existing. So, there's no page fault. Ganito magiging number niya. 5, 1, 3, 4. Like the other one, existing din yung number 1. So, magiging 5, 1, 3, 4 ulit siya. Then, since page number 6 is not existing, papalitan naman natin ay yung frame dito sa number 2. So, ang papalitan itong 3, magiging 5, 1, 6, and 4. So, ang napalitan ay ang number 3. So, may page fault replaced by number 3. So, since the 5 is existing, wala tayong ipapalitan, wala siyang page fault, then magiging 5, 1, 6, 4. Then lastly, since 1 is existing, wala ulit papalitan, and then magiging 5, 1, 6, 4. So, ganyan ang magiging ganyan ang first in, first out.